In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get perfect alignment and spacing in Canva. If your designs ever feel a little uneven or cluttered, these tools will help you get everything looking crisp, balanced, and professional in just a few clicks. Start by opening your design in Canva so you can follow along. With your design on the canvas, the fastest way to clean things up is with Tidy Up. Select 3 or more elements that should sit in a neat row or column. This could be icons, photos, or buttons. Then click Position, go to Arrange, and choose Tidy Up. Canva will automatically align those items and distribute even spacing between them. If something still looks off, try running Tidy Up again after nudging elements closer or farther apart. It's great for polishing repeated items. As you move objects around, pay attention to Canva's smart guides. You'll see dotted purple lines appear when an element lines up with another object. The center of the page, or your margins. Let the object snap to those lines for fast, precise placement. If the snap feels jumpy, zoom in a bit to make smaller adjustments while still using the guides. For exact alignment on command, use the Position button. Here you can align objects to the top, middle, or bottom, or to the left, center, or right. This works either in relation to the whole page or relative to the elements you've selected together. It's perfect for centering a headline, locking a logo to a corner, or aligning icons along a baseline. For custom layouts, turn on Rulers and Guides. Go to File, then View Settings and choose Show Rulers and Guides. You'll see rulers appear along the top and left. Click and drag from a ruler to drop a guide onto your canvas. Then snap elements to that guide for consistent padding and perfectly aligned columns or rows. When multiple elements belong together, group them. Select the items and click Group. Now they move and align as a single object, keeping their spacing intact. You can still double-click to edit inside the group without ungrouping. Clean typography is all about spacing. With a text box selected, use the toolbar to adjust line spacing to control the space between lines and letter spacing to fine. Tune the space between characters. Small, consistent tweaks make text easier to read and help it sit better with images. Finally, enable margin guidelines via File. View Settings, show margins. Keep important text and graphics inside those lines to avoid cramped edges and maintain a balanced layout. Use these tools together and your designs will look sharp, consistent, and intentional. Thanks for watching.